If your hairline is running away, if your scalp is screaming for help, or your comb is snatching your strands every morning, don't scroll past this video. I just found a natural remedy that actually works and is probably sitting in your kitchen. Let's be real, those fancy products promising miracle growth haven't done much, right? But this simple combo have been used for centuries to grow fuller, stronger hair, and is backed by science too. You don't need a lab, just a pot, some water, and these two powerhouse herbs. Please keep on watching to the end. Do you want your hair to grow long, thick, and full? If you do, please comment below and say yes, I want my hair to grow long, thick, and full. But your ingredient will be cloves. And you guys, let's talk the benefits of these ingredients real quick. Clove, this tiny spice, massive benefits. Cloves contain eugenol and beta-carotene. Eugenol is something that is very essential when you are trying to grow your hair. It actually boosts that long growth that you are looking for. Eugenol can ensure that your hair follicles receive the necessary nutrients for optimal growth. Clove can benefit your hair by strengthening your hair, nourishes hair follicles, reduce hair loss. Due to its antifungal and antibacterial properties, it may also help combat dandruff and other scalp conditions and may prevent premature growing of hair. Do you know clove can actually help darken your hair when you use it consistently? I'm using clove on my hair lately and the results are amazing. So if you include clove in your hair regimen, you are going to see that your hair will be getting darker. If you have powdered cloves, you can make use of it, but if you do not have, you can make use of the whole cloves. So you guys, you know this is rosemary. From my research, I found out that rosemary may be as effective as minoxidil, a treatment for hair loss treatment, in promoting growth. Rosemary stimulates hair growth, prevents hair loss, strengthens hair. It also improves scalp health. You guys, these two herbs are natural and safe to use because they are natural ingredients, not processed. Even some of the store-bought products add some of these natural herbs. Mother Earth has given us all the herbs we need to grow our hair with no side effects. So guys, imagine combining these two ingredients. You are not just hydrating your scalp, you are waking it up. You are saying, "Hair follicles, let's grow." So guys, if you are tired of seeing hair strands all over your comb, or your scalp is starting to peek through more than you like, listen closely. This treatment has been a game changer for a lot of people struggling with hair fall, breakage, and thinning edges. And the way you use this treatment really matters. I added 1 cup of water. The quantity of water you will add will depend on the quantity of ingredients you are using. So the more the quantity of the ingredient, the more the water. I hope you guys understand me. I have not said this on heat, just look at how it is already. I always like doing the double boiler method. This is because it retains all the goodness in the herbs. The water will turn a rich brown color, and yes, it smells like a herbal tea shop. You understand what I mean, right? A sweet smell. After 5 to 10 minutes of boiling with a double boiler, bring it down and allow it to cool down. Guys, this is so rich. If you are serious about growing your hair long and thick, you need to consider this hairspray because it's loaded with lots of nutrients. If you want to sieve your juice out, use a mesh Do not use this sieve. This is because some tiny particles will still find its way into the juice. If you look at the residue, you will notice that the brown color that the cloves have is no longer there. That is to tell you that everything is in the water. Pour into your spray bottle. If you don't have a spray bottle, customize a spray bottle for yourself. Now, here is where most people get it wrong. They just spray it and expect magic. But listen, for this to work, you have to massage it in. Spray directly on your scalp, parting your hair section by section. If you do not braid your hair, then go in with your fingertips and massage it for at least 2 minutes. You can use this treatment as a rinse after pre-poo and washing your hair. You can also use it as a leave-in. I actually love using the DIY as a leave-in, not as a rinse. Cover with a plastic bag or bonnet. Just let it sit and your hair will soak up all the goodness. You guys, let me be real with you. You will not grow waist-length hair overnight, but if you are consistent like 3 times a week, from now to the end of August, you will notice a huge difference in shedding, softness, and even new baby hairs popping up in just 2 to 3 weeks. Some people even do a 7-day hair growth challenge with it. Should we try one together? Let me know in the comments if you are in. I've seen people on YouTube and TikTok show crazy before and after results using this exact combo. If you are dealing with bald spots, itchy scalp, or those tiny areas at the crown, this could be your natural fix. Some people may say DIY doesn't grow hair. For me, I would say they do not know what they are talking about. Maybe it didn't work out for them, but for me, it is working and I'm seeing a huge difference, okay? So you have to stick to what works for you. There are so many people that have been able to grow their hair using DIYs. People are different, you have to understand that. Some like store-bought products, others DIY. Whichever you choose, just be consistent with it. And please be patient. Real growth doesn't happen overnight. So guys, don't keep this to yourself. Share it with someone whose hairline needs saving. And if you have ever used rosemary or clove before, tell us in the comment section how it went for you. Don't forget to like and show your girl some love by subscribing to this channel. See you in my next video. Bye.